Trade your Bitcoin with JTech. Trade your Bitcoin with JTech. Trade your Bitcoin with JTech. Let us open to the book of Crypto chapter 1 verse 1. And it says, blessed are those that trade their Bitcoin with JTech, for JTech is fast and reliable. And woe to those, I repeat, woe to those that refuses to trade their Bitcoin with JTech, for they shall be scammed, and thunder will fire them. Trade your Bitcoin with JTech. They are the overall, the oga pata pata if it comes to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency trading. Come here. Why are you crying?
I want to go and trade my Bitcoin on WhatsApp. The guy don't scam me now.
Haven't you heard of JTech? You're supposed to trade with JTech. They are the best. They are fast and reliable. Stop crying. Stop crying. Where's the Okereke?
The office is outside.
They're in the office now.
Yes,
Alright, take me to the office. Let me go and see
I know you hear what? I get coconut head.
you myself. See the kind of place where you go trade your Bitcoin now.
I don't understand. See the guy.
Now the Okereke
See the guy.
Who be Okereke for here?
I mean, now what be that?
Are you scam guy?
Get mine. Enter the same.
Who
Who is the beg? Abeg, Kizito. Alpha, say this go save for market.
Why not? I like
Come on down. Put this in. Where I made it for you.
Put my trouser.
See about so. Oh yeah, pull am.
I know you're boss.
Remove her. Wait. Your boy make sense, so.
And a banana boss.
From
US.
Give me this one.
Remove am.
Say you get pint for inside. You wear pint.
I don't wear pants.
You don't wear pint.
Woman!
My take, go my take.
I don't wear pants.
How much you are now? Black, oh.
I don't wear
Oh yeah, Zamba. Zamba here.